In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to improve your SEO. Whether you're a small business owner looking to enhance your online presence or a seasoned marketer aiming for better search engine rankings, Ubersuggest can be an invaluable tool in your SEO tool. as toolkit. To start, head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. It's always a great idea to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, even if SEO isn't your forte. Once you've navigated to Ubersuggest, your first task is to find some good keywords. Think about words or phrases related to your business. Let's take healthy snacks as an example. Type this into the search bar, and Ubersuggest will show you a treasure trove of information. You'll see how many people are searching for this term, giving you an understanding of its popularity. Additionally, it provides insights on how competitive it is to rank for this keyword. You'll also get suggestions for related keywords, which can be essential for expanding your content strategy. For the best results, you want to target keywords that strike a balance between having a healthy search volume and low competition. This is key to making your content more visible. Next, let's shift our focus to competitors. Enter your competitor's website into Ubersuggest. This action unlocks a wealth of data about their online strategy. You'll discover their top performing pages, which keywords they are ranking for, and who is linking back to them. This information is incredibly valuable, as it can provide ideas and inspiration for your own content creation. The third part of leveraging Ubersuggest is to fix any SEO problems on your site. Navigate to the Site Audit tool within Ubersuggest. This handy feature will scan your website and identify any issues that could be hampering your SEO performance, such as slow loading pages, missing meta tags, or broken links. Once these issues are addressed, your site will be stronger and better positioned for improved search rankings. After cleaning up your site, it's time to think about building backlinks. Check out the backlinks section in Ubersuggest. Here, you can identify who is linking to your competitors. Reach out to similar sites and build relationships to get those valuable backlinks for yourself. Backlinks can significantly boost your site's authority in the eyes of search engines. Finally, tracking your progress is essential. Make use of the rank tracking feature to keep an eye on how your keywords are moving in Google's search results. Observing these trends can help you refine your SEO strategy over time, continuously optimizing for better performance. By systematically following these steps, you can harness the power of Ubersuggest and take your SEO efforts to the next level. Whether it's finding the right keywords, understanding your competitors, fixing on-site issues, acquiring backlinks, or tracking your results, Ubersuggest provides the tools you need to succeed in the digital landscape.